Hello guys, Raja here. Welcome back to one more video. And still on password managers, today I want to be doing a tutorial about one of the free password managers that I listed before. So today, stay tuned and you'll see which one I choose. Like I said, you can choose any one from that list, but I choose one that I feel like it's the best of the free versions. Like I said, if you want to go more into more functions, then definitely a paid version will be better. So okay, let's continue and I will show you how this password manager that I choose work and which one I choose. Okay, stay tuned and let's start. And the password manager of my choice, and I will tell you why. Because like I said, I use a paid version. I use a version called LastPass, like I talked in the last video. And LastPass is a very good password manager in my opinion, but I paid for the paid version. And now, because they have the free version before that works in all the multiple devices. So if it was the case, definitely I will suggest that one because I have the knowledge. I know, I'm sure I'm using for more than 7 years and it's been good, no issues at all. But because they're not supporting multiple devices anymore, and somehow it is important because a lot of you guys probably have a laptop or a mobile phone, and for you to need all the time to have your mobile with you or your computer with you, it's not gonna work so well. So I tried to choose a free version that have that option, the option to sync in multiple devices and also have the functionalities needed for a good password manager, respecting that's a free version. So that's why I came across Zoho Vault, and I talked about it, I listed on my list. And Zoho Vault, if you go to the page, their page is this one showing in the screen, is zoho.com /vault, and here is basically the website showing everything, how it works. So like I said, this is the first time I'm installing the Zoho Vault. I will not go over the features, I will go directly to pricing because the features will be testing together. So here you have start your 15 days free trial, no credit card required, that's important. So in their free version, you can see here, you have for personal use, $0. So you have store unlimited password and notes. This is good, so you can have your notes and unlimited password stored there. Attach file of documents. That's another thing, guys, that password managers usually do. You can, for example, you have your credit card, let's suppose. That's definitely, you cannot put a number on the notes. Cannot take a picture and leave it in your library, because if any leakage, you have a problem. So that's why we use password manager as well, to keep some files and documents there safe. So they have access to, from computer, smartphone and tablet. That's great. Automatically log into website, generate strong passwords. That's good. So sometimes you don't want to have the hassle to create a password for any website. So like I said, just one master password and you're good. Define and enforce a password policy, track password access activities, offline access, that's important as well. Import and export password, two-factor authentication, very important. Mobile access, Android and iOS. Browser extensions, that's good. Password assessment report, and integration with the Zoho apps, this is not important for us. And if you want to go for the standard, that's less than $1 per month, billed annually, you can have some other options. I don't want to go over these options, so let's basically start our trial and tutorial. Just before I start, I just want to show you guys, just as a curiosity, on the Apple Store, the ratings, the review for this Zoho Vault software or application, it's not too much because it's a new application in the market. So it's 335 ratings with 4.7. This is very good. On the Android app, you have 763 with 4 stars rating. So still very good. So I find it interesting to show you that. So okay, let's see. Free forever, try now. So here, to sign up, you need an email. So let's type our email on thehub.com and our password. Remember, master password should be strong. If you didn't watch the video, I want to leave the link here so you can access it and watch it. And of course, watch the video about passwords. It's a little long video, but it's a very informative video to keep yourself safe and you understand why you need a passphrase and not a password. So I want to use a passphrase here. And you see, of course, you keep this passphrase. That's a passphrase. That's a big one. It's easy to remember though, because it's a passphrase. It's here in my mind because there are words, but it's long and have all the special characters and numbers needed. So sign me up. So definitely write it down, put it on a safe, this master password, because if you forget this password, you cannot access your other passwords when you have all the passwords logged in. So no, we don't have, our organization don't have, so it's a personal use. Like I said, guys, I'm setting up as if like this is the first time I'm doing that. Okay, so again, another password. Okay, so basically they create something for the platform and now password for the vault. I want to use the same. I don't want to create another one since I know it's a good password. In this case, since it's for the same. And here the image that we see, P17842. And here is a very important notice. Like I said, I'm always telling you guys. So important, a Zoho Vault does not store my master password anywhere. I understand that without my master password, I will not be able to access my password stores. So this is very important. This is okay. So now that we put it our password and confirm. Okay, so finally we're in. This is the vault. Like I said, I want to rephrase this. This is the first time I'm seeing the Zoho Vault software. So I'm just putting together this video tutorial. So this way I can feel what you feel when doing your installation. So basically you have here on the left side panel a dashboard. You have passwords that you can have all passwords here listed. You have folders. Okay. You have audit and you have settings. Okay, so now let's add our password. Okay, we click add site. Let's see how it works. So here you have the site. So I wanna add something for GoDaddy. So it's here. You click. You can create folders here. Like for example, if you wanna put folders for your shopping sites, like Amazon or like any other website that you use for shopping, you can create a folder just for shopping websites. In my case, I don't want to create any folder, so I just want to come here and type my password. So, okay, I'm just copying my password here and save, just as a test. So password added successfully. So here if I click choose, you can of course see, but I don't want to show you guys my password definitely. And you can edit as well here, edit password and close. Okay. So the good thing about password manager is this. When I go here now and go to GoDaddy, Okay, GoDaddy.com. Okay, so you go. Oh my God, Google, just stop talking. I don't know why it got activated. So sign in. So let's see if it shows. Oh, I need the extension for the browser. So let's get the extension for the browser. So we go to the Chrome Web Store and we search for Zoho Vault. Let's see. So here, we're fine. So that's how you add to the Chrome. Add extension. Okay, so now we should have it here. So see here, we have the extension. So basically we need to log in. No password found. Okay. After the extension we need to log in here because I was using the different version of the browser. So here, again, your email, in my case test at onithub.com. Next, and of course our master password. Hopefully it's this one. Oh, okay, of course, account is unconfirmed. Okay, so they will send you a code, OTP code. If you don't receive, you can resend the code, okay? So in my case, this one is the code. So I will verify. So now email ID added successfully. Okay, so you can enable the two-factor authentication on your account. I want to remind later because I will be doing a video, of course, on two-factor authentication to explain you guys with more detail in case you guys don't know. But yeah, so here value Vault browser extension. Okay, accept the extension. Okay, so now we should be good to go. No, not yet. Not yet. Okay, still not logged in. So again, master password, very long. So okay, here it already shows our site. So if you can see, fill up for us and log in automatically. In my case, I have another verification, so I will not go further, but this is basically how it will be working. So let's suppose now that we have it here, the Zoho Vault, and I want to add another password. So I can be coming here and doing another password. So what's the account? So in this case, it's taken from the. So let's suppose I want to go to my. Let's suppose LinkedIn. So sign in. get to my LinkedIn account. Okay, sign in. So to say, do you wanna save? And of course I have a two-factor authentication to receive a message. Okay. Okay, so you guys can see we have now the two accounts. So it's easy when you wanna go and log in, you just go sign in. And here automatically it shows you my LinkedIn, sign in, and voila, I am in. So working fine for the password purposes, good. So now we wanna cut it short here and use it on our phone. And I'll be using for this purpose an iPhone device, but Android should be the same. Okay, so let's go so I can show you the iPhone device and how to do that on our mobile device. Linking to this account and seeing if we'll get all synced up. Okay guys, now on the phone, using here my phone, you put, in this case, Apple Store, Zoho Vault, and you do a search. So this is the one. Okay, let's get and install it here. So okay, after downloaded, you have it here, the Zoho Vault, the application. So we want to click. In this case, we want to sign in. In the case you are using just the phone, you don't have a computer and you just download the application in your phone, you want to start using a password manager just on your phone, you can come here. If you see in the right corner, let me show you with the mouse, here you see sign up. So you can just go and sign up if you are using it. In our case, because we did it on the computer before, so we want to go and sign in. So sign in, it will connect you to the account that we already have. We should put our credentials, username and password. So first, let's start with our email. In our case is this. Okay, and then next. And now our master password. After you put your master password, let's sign in. Okay. So it's saying review your email account again. So let's confirm. Okay, I received the email saying that I just logged in. Again, they wanted a master password. Actually now, because like I said, they create an account for you on Zoho, and then this is the master password for your vault. But since I use the same, and you guys can use the same, and after we put it our master password, let's press login. So in the phone, for example, of course, if you're using an Android or the biometrics fingerprint, you can use your fingerprint or your Face ID. In my case, I want to use my Face ID. Okay. And then it says that you can autofill as well, so close. And here are our two websites that we just add in. Okay guys, to make sure you guys have the autofilling in your application, you have to go to settings. I want to point with the mouse. So settings down here, press it, and then you go to general. And on general, you have here autofill passwords. So it shows you, tells you, go to settings app, tap password and accounts, tap autofill. So let's do that. So on the settings on your iPhone, you go to passwords. It's down here. Okay, and then autofill passwords. So you go and activate Zoho. Okay, Now it's active because I had active actually LastPass because this is my standard one. So now let's see if it will work using our GoDaddy account. So see, now it appears here. Login GoDaddy using Zoho Vault. So you just click here. It will confirm me again, and voila. So yeah, working fine. Okay, I hope you guys like it. This is the video using Zoho Vault as our free version of Password Manager, and everything running smooth, and you can put all your passwords now in a safe place. Okay guys, so if you want to know more about your password manager, about this password manager or any other password manager, please let me know on the comments below, so I can bring it to you another tutorials or talk more detail or answer your questions. Thank you, stay safe online and offline, and nice having you here in this video. Love you guys, have a good one.